children. I am from the School. Today I am going to tell you the color changing Chinese cabbage is different. We need Chinese cabbage and food coloring and the water and I take a cup, pour the water into the plastic cup. Drop a few food coloring into the water. We put Chinese cabbage into the plastic cup.